day, everybody. You are welcome to this class, EDT832, Preparation, Utilization, and Execution of Instructional Media into the Curriculum. My name again is Professor Salahu Ibrahim Olatunde. I want you to watch carefully this lesson so that you can make maximum benefit from it. I'm going to share some of the slides prepared for this class. The title of the course again is EDT832, Preparation, Utilization, and the Integration of Instructional Media in the Curriculum. I would like to start the class by introducing you, by providing you general introduction, which is going to serve as lesson 1. And here, I'm sure there are some things that are bothering your minds, which of course, which I call posters. You may want to ask, what is EDT832 all about? Another question expected of you to answer is, what are the expected learning outcomes that you are expected to be able to either do or be able to express after you must have been exposed to this course? Then how do we get the best of this course? How do you, as a student, make the best of this opportunity offered you by the university? And we will equally look at those things that we are required to do so that we can maximize the benefits from this course. The first question, what is EDT832? The course aims at giving you an opportunity to understand many of the concepts and theories in the educational media and curriculum. You should be able to, from the course, demonstrate the fact that you actually can explain many of the concepts such as audio, visual, audiovisual, realia, software, hardware, and things, other concepts like that. And it's equally expected of you to be able to apply these concepts and theories to actually demonstrate the fact that the theories are not just there. You can apply them to instructions as an effective teacher. And I need to tell you that the course will be available for all students, covering all of you that are offering EDT832 as a compulsory course leading to the award of MH Educational Technology. What are the expected outcomes? On successful completion of the course, you should be able to define educational media. By this, you must be able to differentiate and distinguish clearly the difference between educational media and instructional media. And you must be able to mention the characteristics of media. And you must be able to classify media into various groups. And one other thing you must be able to do at the end of this course is that you must be able to distinguish between the software and hardware concepts of educational media. You should equally be able to distinguish between the various categories of audio media used in education. And of course, you must be able to describe instructional uses of each of the audio media that we are going to study. And at the end of the course, you must be able to describe how you can make good use of instructional media, especially when you are providing teaching, learning, instructional process. Your handling of teaching, learning, instructional process must be able to reflect the fact that you had undergone a course of this nature. And it should not be out of it to also emphasize the fact that you must be able to differentiate between concepts like overhead projector, opaque projector, slide projector, field strip projectors, 16 mm projectors, 8 mm projectors, and the likes. And again, you must be able to demonstrate competencies in handling of these equipment. What are the components of this course that you are expected to familiarize yourself with? For you to actually make the best out of this course, you must be able to appreciate the fact that this course has various components, which include course materials, that is the hardware, hard copy of the material that contains the content, which you are expected to read and prepare yourself for exams. And there is a course guide, which you are expected equally to read, and not only to read, but also be able to demonstrate and practicalize the content that you must have read in the course guide. And you need to know that study units also form part of the components of this course. The course is prepared in modular form, and each of the modules has not less than 3 units, and you are expected to read each of these units with a view to making the best out of it. And of course, each of the units consists of various sub-aids, like you have the introduction, you have the learning objectives, you have the content, you have the assignments and assessment, which will be okay. Sorry for that, which we will be able to familiarize us with to demonstrate the fact that you actually understood the content of the course. The presentation schedule for this course is going to be through many outlets. One is online facilitation on Zoom. That is what I am doing now. You are watching the video, you are interacting, you have the opportunity to ask questions. By so doing, areas that are not clear to you, you bring them forth, we discuss them, and by so doing, I want to believe that learning is expected to be the outcome for interaction. There's going to be PowerPoints, which after the lesson, you'll be free to download and to go over. In other words, as you are participating in this live instructional platform, you also have the opportunity to go through it even after the lesson is over. But that is not to say that you take advantage of this to the extent that you don't want to show up during classes. Remember, showing up during classes will enable you not only to see my face, it equally assists me to see your faces and for you to participate in other aspects of the course, such as discussion, which is important, and you can chat with me and with other colleagues. You can send in your questions, areas that need further clarifications, and so on and so forth. And of course, like I said, the video lessons are there for you to go through. And I will equally encourage you to making use of a variety of these various ways by which we are presenting instructions to you. So that at the end of the day, you'll not be found wanting. You'll be able to tackle the TMA effectively, and at the same time, write your exams without any fear of failure. How do you get the best out of this course? You get the best out of this course by reading through the course guide being provided for you thoroughly. It is not expected of you to just jump and start from Module 1, Unit 1. Make sure that the content that we have in the course guide, you read them thoroughly to prepare you for the various assignments built into the course. Again, you must be able to organize a study schedule. This is important. You must have a pattern. If you are a working class, or you are a married person, or even if you are single, there must be ways by which you want to schedule your study so that at the end of the day, you are able to know that by 3 to 4, you must have something tangible doing along line, assisting yourself to getting the best out of this course. Again, you have to turn into Unit 1 and read introduction and the objectives for the unit, because it's by so doing that you are able to make the best out of the course. Now, you have to assemble the study materials. It is not when you want to study that you now start looking for your materials. Assemble yourself. Prepare yourself for the class. You know you are a distance learner, and as such, you must be at alert. Then you have to walk through the unit, and when you have submitted an assignment to your tutor for marking, do not wait for its return before you start preparing for the next one. Again, what are those things that I'm expecting from you? You are expected to create study time, like I've said earlier on. You are expected to attend Zoom classes, watch the video lessons, participate in discussion forum, and do your TMAs. Don't allow your colleagues to do your TMAs for you because it has a classification. They will not write the exams for you. So do your TMAs yourself and prepare yourself for final exam. Thank you very much.